What? Who? Steven Sushi.
What is cracking, Sushi Rolls, and me and my taunted hairline, like some of y'all be talking about? I don't really give a damn. But guys, look at this. We have Ihop. Guys, so I'm really excited. I haven't had Ihop probably like in years, since I was like 7 or 8 or something. So I'm starving. Who did I see? I seen somebody try these crepe things, and I wanted to try them. And I wasn't gonna get every flavor, but I'll have to wait till I got more money. Look, guys, look at this. I got some Nutella banana crepes. Let me see if this is a little too bright. Right there, bro. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm dying to try. I'm dying. My mouth is watering. And I got some. What? Are these whole wheat? I guess they're whole wheat chocolate chip pancakes. Those are here. And then bacon, egg, and hash brown. Pretty basic. Put that right here, guys. Let's try all this. You guys can't really see this. Let's put that on a plate. Actually, let's put that right here on this. Let's transfer that to that. Much better. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to look at right here. Guys, so what's new? It's been a while. It's been a very while. It's been a while. What is this? This is whipped cream or something? Whipped cream. I guess that goes on there. And then butter. More butter, more gutter. My sisters always say that. More butter, more gutter. So we got pancakes up on here. Oh, I mean butter. Guys, I'm starving now. If y'all see me going ham, this is gonna be gone like in 2 seconds. Like I should be doing some damn eating challenge or something. If you guys want to see eating challenges, let me know what you guys would like to see. Some syrup. I asked for like 20 syrups because I know that they were gonna half fill this. Guys, do you guys put syrup on this? I don't know if you guys put syrup on the crepes. Let's just try it though. I'm trying to try this. This fork sucks. Ihop, your fork sucks. Okay, let's try this, guys. Okay, what are crepes made out of? Can somebody tell me? I don't know nothing about this. It's different than I thought. Let's try it though. Pretty good though. Don't get me wrong. That's good. Wow. If you guys can tell, I'm a big chocolate lover. I love chocolate chip, everything. There's the bomb pan. Wow! Wow! You hear the cars passing by? These pancakes are amazing. What do they do to this? What the hell's going on, guys? What is going on? Oh my gosh. Ari, chocolate chip, Ihop pancakes. Me and my sister, we like this. I'm gonna try these, so good. I don't know, what do I like better? These crepes? Guys, where did crepes originate? Is that France or Paris or something? Is it supposed to be like a dessert? So, I don't know. In my last video, I told you guys I was gonna get like another car, like an everyday car. So I got a Camry. Practically brand new. Runs amazing. I had an Altima before that. Okay, so what I did, the person kind of not forced me, but they stuck me into buying a brand new Altima. It was nice and everything, but the way that it ran, I kind of just didn't like it. It felt very kind of small inside. It felt like a toy car, like it was cheap, like it was very light. Very light car. In my opinion, I was, you know what? I've wanted the Camry way before I got the Altima, so I finally went back, paid a little more for the Camry, but worth it. Worth it. These pancakes are, what the hell? Are they like, is it chocolate batter or is it whole wheat? I don't know if it's chocolate batter. Can somebody please tell me? These pancakes are so good. What the hell? What the heck? Shrek. I can tear all this up real quick. Oh my god, this feels so good. Way better than Denny's. It just tastes way better. Like the quality. That's probably why it's more expensive too. Denny's, we have that 2 for $6.8. Remember a few years ago? We were going to church. No, not. I mean, I go to church now, but I mean, like, when we would go to church, the whole youth, like our youth group and stuff, we would go to Denny's and eat there like almost after every service, and we were like broke, so we would like sometimes me and my sisters would not like order anything, and the people like some of the youth from our church would pay for us because like it was really nice of them. But we always order over the 2 for $6.8 because we're on a budget. Oh, guys, so what is this? Like, what is this tortilla? What is this? I've seen somebody do this. Who was it? Nathan? He's a YouTuber. He like I think he rolled it up. That's the first time I've seen someone eat crepes. Ever since then, I'm like, I gotta try it. But damn, some of these people who do these eating challenges, damn, I just think about like, I think I'm in the restroom a lot after eating these mukbangs. Imagine them. They probably don't leave the house. Something's shaking. It's the ghost. There's no ghost here today, huh? Imagine another one just pops up. Wow. I'm like sweetness overload. Chocolate overload. Guys, I still haven't announced the wing winner. I'm announcing the wing winner in the next video right after this. I'm filming the video today, announcing the winner. The video we posted already pre-recorded the video last week for Domino's. So, oh my gosh. Back to original programming, videos every day. Okay, so I thought these were gonna be really chocolatey, like chocolatey, sweet, powdered sugar. I guess they didn't put powdered sugar. They're laying over there. I have to say, if you're a chocolate lover and you want that richness, these are like so sweet that you're just gonna throw up. Because have you ever tried something that's so sweet and so overloading like richness? Right, it's just like too much to eat. I probably shouldn't eat that. Let's go over here. So messy. Let me wash my hands real quick. Oh, yeah, sorry. I'm stuffed. I think I got too much sweet stuff. If you guys know what I mean, you guys can eat a lot of sweet stuff during breakfast. But these pancakes, I would say, are definitely a killer dessert. With maybe some ice cream on top would be freaking fire. Let's FaceTime Ari. Hold on, please. Hi.
Hi.
Everyone say hi to Ari.
Hi, guys.
Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. As always, I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Guys, let me know what you guys want to eat, because there's sometimes where I just run out of ideas, like either to cook or to eat. So let me know what you guys really want me to cook or eat. I really want to start like cooking stuff, so let me know, because I have like a kitchen, a huge kitchen, and I'm like, I don't have anything. I don't do anything in there, you know? So as always, I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Alright? Peace!